Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tanira. This is me editing the video that you're watching. I forgot to film an intro, so this is it. As you guys can tell from the title of the video, I'm organizing my makeup vanity, desk, dresser, whatever you want to call it. Don't judge me. I would judge me, but don't judge me. I'm cleaning it, as you can tell. Anyways, if you guys want to see me clean up my vanity, keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so this is what my vanity looks like right now. Very atrocious. It's not the best. I have like a bunch of hair care products that don't need to be up here. They need to be in my drawer. Deodorant and a bunch of makeup. If you've seen my mom's video, then you'll know what that is. I got some jewelry that I want to display, but not in the packaging anymore. I decided to just put that packaging somewhere else. Then I have a bunch of skincare products, some that I don't even use that I really just need to get away, like throw away or give away depending on how old it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. For my drawers, really 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all like, you could say miscellaneous stuff. This is the only real one that has like actual makeup in it, like my lashes, lip gloss, and all that. So I really want to take all that and put it into this new case that I bought for all my makeup. It's a great case, but you guys don't understand the pain it took to find this, like to get it uncracked. We got it from Amazon like 4 times, me and my mom, and every time it would come cracked. I think this is like the 6th one that finally made the mark. It wasn't cracked. So we're gonna put all this up here. My goal is to put this right in this corner and put all this makeup in here and all the miscellaneous in here into the drawer, and it'll be right here. And then just put my jewelry and anything else on top. I have jewelry right here, but the Pandora stuff I kind of would have display. That makes sense. But yeah, so let's get into it. With finesse. I'm not sure if I previously mentioned it in my other videos, but I do have a lash collection and a website. I'll leave it in the description box. So if you want to purchase some nice luxury lashes, feel free to do so, and it'll be down below. Thank you guys. Okay, so to give you guys kind of a visual of how I'm setting up my container case, I decided to do on the left hand side, starting from the top, brows and primers together. Underneath of that, I did mascaras and liners. Underneath of that, I did lip products, all my lip products together, lip gloss, lipstick, everything just in one big drawer because it all fit in there. And then on the right hand side, I did my lashes and lash glue. Underneath of that, I did my concealers, and then underneath of that, I did foundations. I don't have a lot, but there's still enough room in there, so if I want to grow, I can. And then finally at the bottom, I did all my just my bigger products, my bigger pressed powders and blushes and eyeshadow palettes that I did have. I will say it has a lot more room in there from all the stuff, so if I wanted to expand, I could do so easily. And then I also got this little case to store all my brushes. I don't have a lot of brushes yet. The ones I do have are from Morphe and Real Techniques. They're really great, but I think I'm just gonna buy some more. That'll be my next purchase. But I just put them all in here, and I decided to put it on top of the vanity section to give the rest of my drawers a little bit more space. Okay guys, and this is the final product. It's definitely way better than it was before. I have all my makeup in this little storage center. My brushes on top. I like it. It's really cute. Honestly, I feel like it's kind of a little bit too big for my vanity, but it's still doable. I kind of not sure if I want to keep all these right here or put some of them maybe in the drawers that they can fit. I think I'm gonna get rid of that setting spray right there. But yeah, so right now this is the main thing. I needed to get another cleaner because these white scuffs were not coming off what I was using, but I know they can come off, so I have to get another cleaner. Other than that, she looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Hey, and that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for future videos. As always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.